Zimbabwe President Mnangagwa is triggered fresh political controversy after appearing to describe himself as a king during an interview with ZVC journalist Ruben Barwe, while also making remarks interpreted by critics as confirming he traveled outside the country without publicly announcing the trip. Sadabna Mashkonamlanyi Kopango Nachinzi, Nagawa confirms he sneaked out to Belarus secretly without telling VP Chiwenga and was subscribed or like out on the bill. The remarks have intensified the debate around constitutional governance, executive authority, and increasingly symbolic language surrounding Mnangagwa's leadership style. During the interview, Mnangagwa reportedly laughed while responding to growing public speculation over his recent unannounced foreign travel. In comments that immediately spread across social media and political circles, the president declared, "The king travels without announcing whenever his time is up." The statement has since drawn criticism from legal observers and opposition voices, who argue that Zimbabwe's constitution does not provide the monarchical authority, but instead establishes an executive presidency governed by strict constitutional procedures. Responding to the story that he recently sneaked out to Belarus with statues of gold, Mnangagwa repeats white city bombing giggle with Ruben Barwe, saying the king travels without announcing whenever his time is up. Mnangagwa's remarks were viewed by some analysts as an apparent dismissal of those constitutional expectations, particularly after days of speculation surrounding his reported trip abroad. The president also referred to himself as Chief Mutapa, invoking imagery associated with ancient royal authority and pre-colonial imperial leadership. Political commentators say the language represents a striking shift away from Republican presidential symbolism towards personalized and traditional authority narratives. Doma developments are kupangwa ino mreZimbabwe. Inakomesa chimbedzo fura imoruli pamsoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe like chitwa the bell icon.